everybody, welcome to yet another episode of Learning Perspectives. Today, we are going to deconstruct a scene from a movie called Home Alone, and the concept that we are going to learn today is about credit cards.
For reservations, call toll free 1 800 759 3000.
I'll do just that. Howdy do. This is Peter McAllister, the father. I'd like a hotel room, please, with an extra large bed, a TV, and one of those little refrigerators you have to open with a key. Credit card? You got it.
Plaza Hotel Reservations, may I help you?
Howdy do. This is Peter McAllister, the father.
Yes, sir.
I'd like a hotel room, please,
Yes.
with an extra large bed, a TV, and one of those little refrigerators you have to open with a key.
Yes, sir, you'll need a major credit card upon check-in.
Credit card? You got it.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
The scene that you just saw shows how Kevin, who is left alone in the city, New York, he's trying to find a hotel. So he has nothing but his father's credit card with him. So he's making all sorts of plan to book a hotel room, and he's successful in doing so. And he does this through a credit card.
He's on business. He's at a meeting. I hate meetings. Plus, I'm not allowed to go in. I can only sit in the lobby. That's boring. So my dad dropped me off here. Gave me his credit card and said whoever was checking people in to let me in the hotel room so I won't get into mischief. And ma'am, sometimes I do get into mischief. We all do.
And in this series, we will try to understand how a credit card works. Now, first, let's understand what exactly is a credit card. Now, you must have seen in the particular scene that we just saw, a credit card is a rectangular shaped thin card which can be essentially carried anywhere, and that is why it is made very thin. You can carry it anywhere and it can be used instead of cash. Quickly, I wanted to take you through the format of a credit card. So here on the top right corner, if you see a bank written, this essentially is the uh, bank's name and bank's logo, correct? So this is the bank's name. So if it's a SBI card, SBI would be written here and a logo would be here. The next thing on the credit cards are microchips. Now, microchips are essentially inserted in a credit card so that they can prevent fraud, and they are much better for security reasons as well. The next thing that you see on the card is a 16-digit card number. So this is unique to all credit cards, and your credit card would also have a different card number. If we go below, we see here written valid through. Now valid through, it also says MMYY, which means month and year. So it can also be called as an expiration date. So your credit card is valid till which year? This indicates that. Below this is cardholder's name, which would be your name on the credit card. And finally, the last thing would be which is given here is the Visa or MasterCard, which are the credit card networks. Now, credit card networks is an interface between the merchant and the financial institution or the bank. So they work as a interface. So that is something that needs to be remembered. So this is the format of a credit card. So you can use it in malls, you can use it in any kind of shops, hospitals, to make payments for all kinds of necessities. You can also make bill payments with your credit card. Now, along with credit card, banks also issue something called as a debit card. Now, debit card and credit card look essentially the same, but the difference is in the operational aspect. Now, debit card uses the funds that are available in your bank, while in case of a credit card, it is more like a loan to you for, let's say, 21 days to 30 days, not more than that. So let's say you go to a mall and you shop for rupees 50,000. Now this 50,000 you need to pay back on the date of your billing cycle. Now when your bill comes, your credit card bills, this 50,000 would be added in your credit card bill. You would get around 21 to 30 days, anywhere depending on the issuer of your credit card. um, these days are like your grace period. So till the time, from the time of the purchase till the time you have to make the payment, this time is like your grace period which you have been given. So within 21 to 30 days, if you don't have 50,000, you would have to make sure that you arrange those that money and pay back by that amount by that day. Now, if this video created any value in your life, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to uh, like the links given in the description box below. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day.